Does your partner complain about your snoring? Or maybe you've noticed you wake up tired, even after a full night's sleep. Snoring and sleep apnea may sound similar, but one is just annoying while the other could be life-threatening. Let's break down the difference and how to spot the warning signs. What is snoring? Snoring equals vibration of tissues in the throat when airflow is partially blocked. Common causes: nasal congestion, being overweight, alcohol, sleeping on your back, relaxed throat muscles. Usually harmless, but it can be a sign of something more serious if it happens nightly. What is sleep apnea? Sleep apnea equals a sleep disorder where breathing actually stops for seconds or longer. There are two main types of sleep apnea. Obstructive sleep apnea, where the airway is blocked. And then there is central sleep apnea. With this type, the brain doesn't send proper signals to breathe. Unlike simple snoring, apnea causes repeated oxygen drops and interrupted sleep cycles. Key differences between snoring and sleep apnea. With snoring, the sound is the main issue. Loud breathing at night. Breathing continues, but it's just noisy. You may feel rested if snoring is mild. With sleep apnea, breathing stops and restarts multiple times. Often includes gasping, choking, or pauses in breathing. Sleep apnea leads to fatigue, morning headaches, dry mouth, irritability, and increased risk for heart disease or high blood pressure. Warning signs you shouldn't ignore. Loud snoring every night. Witnessed pauses in breathing. If your partner notices you stop breathing. Waking up choking or gasping. Daytime sleepiness even after 7 to 9 hours in bed. Difficulty concentrating or mood changes. These are red flags for sleep apnea, not just simple snoring. What you can do. For snoring. Try lifestyle changes: losing weight, sleeping on your side, using nasal strips, avoiding alcohol before bed, or using a humidifier. For suspected sleep apnea. See a doctor for a sleep study. This is the only way to confirm. Treatment can include CPAP machines, oral devices, or lifestyle changes. So here's the bottom line: snoring might just be an annoyance, but if it's paired with pauses in breathing, gasping, or extreme fatigue, it could be sleep apnea, and that's a serious health condition you don't want to ignore. If you or someone you love shows these signs, talk to a healthcare provider. Better sleep could literally save your life. Thanks for watching.